Hi, welcome to my Supergraphic Design assignment task 3 for communication design. I'm Han Nguyen, and today I'm going to show you the process of the Supergraphic design I've been working on. So for the first stage, I started by researching the topic of cyberbullying. So, cyberbullying is when someone uses the internet, the phones, or social media to hurt or threaten others. It can include mean messages, spreading rumors, or even sharing private photos. Cyberbullying is harmful and can affect people's mental health. I wanted to explore this topic because it's been a serious issue going around our society right now. So, what is supergraphic? Did some research. At first, I didn't know what supergraphic is, so I did some research. It's kind of like a large scale artwork or design that usually covers a wall or big space. It can be used to send strong message or improve space visually. I used to create a supergraphic to raise awareness about cyberbullying and show its emotional impact through the visuals and words. And these are some research about my typographic. Sorry. Mostly I use the bold fonts. Some of them are handwritten, like this one, and some of them are just stylized. So for the uh, artistic style, I explored the 3 different art styles for my graphic. The first one is minimalism. It uses simple shapes, like a few colors, and a lot of space. It can be like cartoon drawing as well. The second one is optical art, or people call it op art, which uses patterns and contrast to play tricks with your eyes. The third one is surrealism, where strange, dreamlike images mixed with real things with imagination. I use these styles to test which one fit better with the message of cyberbullying. So, for the first starscape, I created 3, and for minimalism, I focus on clean fonts, a little bit stylized, and with smooth textures, soft colors, and modern sketch and modern style, or maybe cartoon for the walls. And as for optical arts, I look for a bit of bold fonts and a high contrast colors with like black and white, shiny surfaces, and public or trendy colors here. So, and as for surrealism, I included the most of them are like handwritten text. This one looks like a handwritten one because it's somehow I also did this for some of my assignments as well, and it most of them are like earthy colors or creative stuff like papers cutting and then sticking them all together with real people, spaces, places, locations, and objects. Uh, so for these Starscape, they help me to understand how each style would look and feels in order to apply them for my supergraphic. So I plan to place my supergraphic on a wall at Swinburne Uni. It's a place it's a place that is went across the train railway, and it's beneath it. It's a high traffic area that many students pass by like almost every day by uh and you can find the location on the school map or Google map. The wall is located um I think it's next to a yard in our school. I don't remember which yard that is, but there is a yard next to it. So it's a perfect place to spread awareness about cyberbullying. For the mind map, it includes like 5 main ideas about bullying, about like platform, the bullying action, the victims, the impacts, and the prevention. Each branch has related words. For example, under bullying, under the act of bullying, I wrote harassment. I had harassment, which comes with humiliation and threats. I mean, they mostly comes together when you do an act of bullying. And under prevention, we have education, awareness, and reporting. They're all the same thing, which is none of them is not needed to be able to aware the to be able to spread awareness about the act of bullying. So this helped me decide what visuals and messages to include in my artwork. Next, I explore mind map for each art style again to match them to the cyberbullying message. Minimalism, so the calmness in space, which contrasts with chaos of bullying. Optical art is kind of like a confusion of like of how the victim might feel. I don't really know. It just feel that way to me. Cause the chaos, the way they trick your eyes, just chaos running around you. And surrealism, it lets me spread emotion through symbolic images like dreams or nightmares. It works well for serious topics. And so I came up with slogans to go with the graphic. Some of them are words hurt, think first, don't bully, be buddy, is your joke someone's pain, spread love, not hate, think before you speak, kind words matter, criticism or care. Is your voice kind? Stop cyberbullying. Be an upstander, not a bystander. Don't type what you wouldn't say face to face. Words have weight. Use them wisely. Be kind online. Kindness matters. Cyberbullying is never okay. These short messages are powerful and easy to read from a distance. They help people quickly understand the meaning of the graphic. So I started sketching stumbles using markers. First I did a few in minimalistic style. These are simple shapes and with people and like speeches with some words with some slogan in it. And I use mostly black and white because like they're just black markers to keep them clean and strong. And then I made 3 sketches in optical art style. I used zigzags, spirals, and chapstick. I really used everything I had at my house, like onion skin, even used peppers, watercolor, markers, mixed together with my own chapstick. So this is the only surrealism sketch I've ever done. I include a bike cutting from a magazine, like, and then with a towel next, with a building. Sorry, with a building next to it, showing the background and some flowers as well. This is like is this is like a timer. It's like showing how time was wasted on the internet for criticism. The slogan was handwritten, words have weight, use them wisely, and places on beneath the whole thing. It's like a it's like showing how the bike was bumped by the words, by the text, and these are the weight of criticism. This is so yeah. I created two larger sketches showing how the artwork would work on actual school wall. This one is in minimalistic style. This one is eye catching with just simple drawing and a slogan, which is which can leave quite a like big impact because they can be related to some people. And the surrealistic sorry surrealist version has a floating head, has a it's quite hard to blend it with everything else because I have actually have to take some part of the time rubbing it out, the background, and then blend it all together with the walls. So I used these two for my refined sketches. One was in minimalistic style, and the one is in surrealism. Right? Is I cleaned up the line, add some few details. This one I actually didn't fix anything because I think it's already good enough. And this one is the one as is on the walls and is digitally drawn on the walls. So this is the end uh, of my journey. Thank you.